YouTube and to all my friends out there. Just finished building my PC and I just want to give everybody a quick run through on my components. Okay, so I'll start here with my Ultra Chilltech CPU cooler. Under the Ultra Chilltech CPU cooler, I'm using the Q9550 quad core processor at 2.8 GHz, currently overclocked at 3.5 GHz. On the side here I have the Corsair Dominator RAM airflow module with two 2 gig stick modules of DDR3 memory under there, running at 1600 MHz, currently overclocked to 1800 MHz. I have two 9800 GTX Plus Black Editions from XFX, and at the bottom here I'm powering everything here with the Ultra X3 power supply, 1000 watts, and it's a modular power supply, and everything is sitting on top the EVGA 790i FTW motherboard. Everything is inside the antec 1200 case, as I guess most of you would have already realized. Well, most of you experienced gamers out there. Well, I don't think I need to go through the specs on the case because it's pretty standard. At the back here you can see I have the 4 outlets for the card. Okay. At the front, my optical drive, I only currently have one Super Write Master drive, Light Scribe, DVD, dual layer, everything. And at the bottom here, this is the Ultra thermal reader. From this unit here, you can see the CPU temperature, the runtime, and so on. Well, that's basically it so far. I have to give some credit to some of my friends out there, and some that don't know me yet but soon would know me. To TJ Hallow, who inspired me to build this computer actually, after looking at his first antec build, and I just found it to be one of the best builds so far, and I just wanted to model my build after that. So here I did it. I went with 2 GeForce Black Editions, and I just want to tell them thanks for helping me sort out my memory issue, get my memory up to the speed it was at. Also to Castro Man for helping me choose the components that I currently have here. A lot of the suggestions were from Castro Man, and after some careful research and so on and making sure that everything is compatible, I have it here and it's working very nice, excellent. I'll do another video with it on and running, and I'll do some benchmarks and I'll post them up also. So thanks to all you guys out there. See you soon.